slide on the crankshaft stumps. Bearing dummy part 2. Stator side. We have to widen the inner diameter and we have to shorten the outer diameter, so this can slide into the case and this can slide onto the stump. And how are we going to do that? Sandpaper roll. As the rotary valve tolerance is just 0.05 millimeter, it's important to have conditions very similar to when the engine is running. Well, let's work on that bearing. Put it on the stump, you see, and remove it. So the ring is done. Bearing next. The bearing and the sandpaper roll. Let's do it. I just worked on the outer diameter of the stator bearing and it's ready now. You'll see it slides in as the other one. There we go. Get it out. Crankshaft bearings. You can make your own dummies. You just work the inner diameter and the outer diameter. Same here, the outer diameter, inner diameter, so that the bearings and the ring, they just slide on the crankshaft stumps. And on the other side, of course, they slide into the casing.
Ein Biest!
Sorry, ja.
Bist du deppert, ist das ein Biest jetzt?